بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم I am Adimana Muhammad Ijaz, belongs to class 5th B. Allah created us. He created the world and everything in it. Allah is all powerful. He created us. He guides us. He gives us food. He gives us drink. When we are ill, He is the one who cares us. He gives life. He kills death. He forgives our mistakes. He heals our prayers. And how will He heal? Yes, Allah can hear everything without we say it, quietly or loudly. He even hears the silent cry of the heart. He hears our prayers, even if we don't use any words. He alone has the power to hear us so wonderfully. Nobody can hear us, Allah does. He is a safe to believe in Him and to have faith in Him is a part of our aim. Thank you. Have a great night.
Shabash, shabash. Very good.